Some facts sound completely made up, but every single one is real. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when they swim. Bananas are naturally radioactive because they contain potassium-40. There is a jellyfish that can return to its younger form, making it biologically almost immortal. Honey never expires. Archaeologists have found thousands of years old honey that is still safe to eat. And finally, a single bolt of lightning can heat the air to around 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. Which fact surprised you the most?